Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about something we all do, but maybe don't always love: grocery shopping. It can be time-consuming, expensive, and let's be honest, a little overwhelming sometimes. But what if I told you that with a few simple tweaks you could transform your grocery trips? Today I'm sharing my favorite smart grocery shopping tips that every woman should know. These tricks will help you save time, money, and your sanity. So grab a cup of tea, and let's get started. First things first, never, and I mean never, go shopping without a plan. We've all been there, wandering the aisles, grabbing things that look good, only to get home and realize we have nothing to make a complete meal. The solution? Meal planning. Before you even think about leaving the house, take 10 minutes to jot down your meals for the week: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. This simple step is a total game changer. Once you have your meal plan, create your grocery list based on the ingredients you need. Stick to the list. This will stop you from making those impulse purchases that add up so quickly. My next big tip is to shop your own kitchen first. How many times have you bought a jar of spice or a can of beans, only to find you already had 3 at the back of your pantry? Before you finalize that shopping list, do a quick inventory of your fridge, freezer, and cupboards. See what you already have on hand and cross those items off your list. This not only saves you money but also helps reduce food waste. It's like a treasure hunt in your own home. And you'll be surprised by what you find. You might even discover ingredients that inspire a whole new meal. All right, let's talk strategy inside the store. A great habit to get into is shopping the perimeter first. This is where you'll typically find all the fresh whole foods: produce, meat, dairy, and eggs. The middle aisles are where the processed foods, snacks, and tempting treats live. By filling your cart with the healthy stuff from the outside edges first, you'll have less room and less temptation for the less than healthy items. It's a simple mind trick that encourages healthier eating and helps keep your budget in check. Plus, you're prioritizing the most important parts of your meals. Now for a pro tip that has saved me so much money. Learn to read the price tags. I'm not just talking about the big number. Look for the unit price, which is usually in smaller print. This tells you the cost per ounce, per pound, or per item. Sometimes a larger package seems more expensive up front, but the unit price is actually lower, making it the better deal in the long run. Comparing unit prices is the secret to knowing if you're truly getting a bargain, especially when you're choosing between different brands or sizes of the same product. Finally, let's talk about timing. If you can, try to avoid shopping when you're hungry or stressed. When you're hungry, everything looks delicious, and you're far more likely to buy extra snacks and junk food. And when you're stressed or rushed, you're more likely to grab things without thinking or checking prices. Try to go after a meal or on a day when you have a bit more time to browse thoughtfully, and stick to your plan. A calm and satisfied shopper is a smart shopper. So there you have it. My top tips for smarter, more efficient grocery shopping. It's all about planning ahead, shopping your own kitchen, being strategic in the store, understanding prices, and shopping with a clear head. I promise that if you start incorporating these habits, you'll see a difference in your wallet and your stress levels. What are your go-to grocery shopping hacks? Share them in the comments below. I'd love to learn from you too. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy shopping!